Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notification.
Well, we have skipped 2 whole parts of a cycle and gone straight into the 3rd part. As you can tell from her playfulness and happiness, she has been eating what she wants. She is about to eat again what she wants, hence the happiness, the laughter, the giggling, and the endearing looks towards Peetz.
Hey guys! Maybe have to move over a little, because my ball is too big. Woo!
She's got big balls. She's got a big ball.
Move over. Move. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I'm sitting on my exercise ball, guys, while I eat, because I love my exercise ball. Whew. My hair's frizzy.
I got a new phone. It's a Samsung A71.
Woohoo!
A mid-range phone. Or a mid-range dude. I don't know what that means.
Can't even see our food in this box. Okay, I'll try to show you here. Okay, do we have what?
Paper towel.
No, we don't.
We're gonna need something.
Kleenex?
You did not think this through.
I lick my fingers.
Well, so do I, but...
Okay, so we got wild wing, fries, and wings. Oh, how do you know which one's what? Oh, it says on the box. Mine's Daisy Duke. And so it has chipotle, mango chipotle dry rub and medium sauce. And his is Canadian maple barbecue. We're just going to toss those veggies away. Just kidding.
Don't worry, I'll have them at the end of the meal.
Limp fry. Beauty bite.
Grub time. Cringe alert.
See you later. Bye, guys.
Bye.